Good morning, students. We continue in an elaborate way to learn about the nursing theories. Already you have got the list of them, and in short, I have mentioned regarding the theories. Now we learn in the theories what are the various concepts we have to learn nursing. Theories and models for community health nursing. First one is Nightingale's theory of environment. Second, Orem's self-care model. Third, Newman's healthcare system model. Fourth, Rogers' model of the science and unitary man. Fifth, Pender's health promotion model. Sixth, Roy's adaptation model. Seventh, Milieu's framework of prevention. Seventh, eighth, Salmon's wide construct for public health nursing. Ninth, Block and Johnston's ethical theory of population. So first one, we go on to the theory of Florence Nightingale. You know, Florence was born on May 12, 1820, who is the founder of modern nursing, and she is the first nursing theorist, also known as Lady with the Lamb. She explained her environmental theory in her famous book. You see in the net, you can see Notes on Nursing. What is nursing and what is not nursing, how you should take care of the environment. She was the first one to propose nursing required specific education and training. Her contribution during the Crimean War is well known. She was a statistician using bar and pie charts highlighting key points. International Nurses Day is celebrated, on May 12th and is observed in respect to her contribution to nursing, and she died in the year 13th August 1910. Now we go on to the assumptions of Nightingale's theory. And first one, you have the natural laws. Second, what all she assumed, mankind can achieve perfection. Third, nursing is a calling. Fourth, nursing is an art and a science. Fifth, nursing is achieved through environmental alteration. 7, nursing requires a specific educational base. 8, and nursing is distinct and separate from medicine. So these are the assumptions of Nightingale's theory. Certain things she has assumed through her theory. Then you have the Nightingale's canons. In that we see the major concepts. First is ventilation and warming. Second, light and noise, cleanliness of rooms and walls, health of houses, bed and bedding, personal cleanliness, variety, chattering hopes and advices, taking food, what food, petty management, observation. Now the theory of Florence Nightingale, the nursing paradigms on nursing. She says that nursing is different from medicine, and the goal of nursing is to place the patient in the best possible condition for nature to act. Nursing is the activities that promote health as outlined in the canons, which occur in any caregiving situation. They can be done by anyone. People are multidimensional, composed of biological, psychological, social and spiritual components. So now we have seen here the nursing paradigms on nursing and the person. Next we see the nursing paradigms of health, disease, environment. So in the beginning we see health is not only to be well, but to be able to use well every power we have. Disease is considered as dis-ease or the absence of comfort. Environment is poor or difficult environments lead to poor health and disease. Environment could be altered to improve conditions so that the natural laws would allow healing to occur.